Gentlemen, can we have a handshake, please? Because we couldn't see it in the cars.
Of course, yeah. We were going to do that. So many thanks for it. Yeah, sure. Okay. Three discs. Okay. The foremost disc will get to the Triangle Stampede. The Gardaman will then runners. The Triangle National Anthem. The OIC Gardaman will come forward and voice the step of Gardaman, back in position, and then back to the position.
Huh?
Yeah, yeah.
You know.